Hello guys, so my name is Anthony Lansal Manuel and my name is just kidding. I say my name earlier and hmm, I create this video because I'm confused. Nagtataka ko, ano ba ako in the future? And I create this as a remembrance. Nahulog pa yung phone ko. Yan, ayusin natin to. Here we go again. I am 17 years old and mm, ano pa ba? I am good at editing. I never said I'm not professional in editing because I only experienced it. And maybe after 20, 10, 5, or 30 years, mayaman na ako or sikat na ako. Hindi ko alam. I only 17 years old. Mm, Hello, my future self. I don't know what year are you. But I create this para mapanood ko yung video ko na to. Siyempre, kailangan ko ng remembrance. Remembrance. Yes, my remembrance. And my info is Manuel Anthony Lansal Anto Anthony Lance L. Manuel. And if you're asking what is my L, I never said that because it's confidential. Born in 2007, July 31. Type kita. Type O. And I am grade 12. I don't think how many months before I graduate, but I don't know. And that's all. Goodbye.